Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Patty, and today we're going to be making a dessert, and it is called Sinful Delight. And after you taste this, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about because it is really, really delicious. We'll be starting with a 16-ounce soft cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, of course, the original. And I put that into a bowl. And then you're going to be using 1 full cup of sugar that you'll be adding to that, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And once you get that in a bowl, you once you get that all mixed together, try to get as much as you can off the beaters. It's easier once it's softened though. Then you get all of your mixture and mix it all together real well. Then you get your cake pan or your baking dish, which I've prepared. I've sprayed it with cooking spray. You will get your crescent rolls. You're going to need 2 rolls. The first roll, you get it, and you try to find the right spot where it started. And you're going to take this dough and you're going to place it in the bottom of your baking dish. Just like so. It's going to be kind of soft at first, but as you roll it out, you'll find it easier, and you just press it in the bottom just like you would a pie crust. And try to press all the edges together so there's no seams showing. And of course I've washed my hands, so I just want you to know that ahead of time. And then after you get that completed, oh, by the way, also preheat your oven 350 degrees. Once you get that completed, you're going to get your cream cheese mixture that you've just mixed up. You're going to spread it as evenly as you can over the crescent roll that you've pressed in the bottom of your baking dish. Some people might want to use a larger baking dish. That's totally up to you on how much of the filling, how thick you want your filling. Then once you've gotten that all spread in there, and this is so easy and so good. In fact, you'll want to lick the bowl. And I'm going to put my other crescent roll on top of this, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now I'm just now finishing putting the other roll of crescents on top of the mixture, cream cheese mixture with sugar. It doesn't look real fancy, but believe me, when it's done, it looks great. Now you take your other half cup of sugar, and what you're going to do is you're going to sprinkle it all over the top of this. Again, this is a half a cup of sugar. Now some people may want to mix their cinnamon. You're going to be using a tablespoon of cinnamon also. You may want to mix it together when you do sugar and do it. But I myself, it's a shaker cinnamon. I just kind of sprinkle it over the top like this and kind of eye the tablespoon. So that's totally up to you. And it'll look something just like this. Then you have 1 stick of butter that you have pre-melted to where it's like this, and you're just going to drizzle the whole cube of butter that you've melted over the top. And then you are going to stick it into your preheated oven at 350 degrees. And you're going to bake it for 35 minutes. And I'll be back with you when it's done. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And I'll be back in just a minute with it plated for you. And this is our Sinful Delight plated with a cup of hot chocolate with cinnamon and whipped cream. And I am going to enjoy this. And I hope to see everybody soon in Savannah.